We are going to discuss about HTML. HTML. As you can see, there is a word which is written in front of you, which is HTML. This is a language. It's not a programming language, I would say. We will use this to structure website. Okay. Uh, you might have heard a word which is CSS. CSS is used for other purpose, and we will use this HTML for other purpose because it is used for other purpose. Okay, whatever will be work of HTML will be done by this HTML. Whatever will be work of a CSS will be done by the CSS. Okay, as we can understand it with a uh, very common example. uh, whatever whatever you will have work, of course you will do your work. Nobody will come to complete your work, of course. Same here, it was just an example. Here work of HTML we are going to discuss. Before we dive into a discussion of HTML, first let's see what is meaning of HTML. HTML. What does H mean? What does T mean? What does A mean? What does L stand? So I would say H, which means hyper, T text, M markup, L language. It's not rocket science. If you know meaning of HTML, then yes, anybody would say, yeah, you know something. Your basic about HTML is clear, is complete. What if you know everything and you don't have a meaning of HTML? Then what will happen? It will work, but at least we should have information. Whatever we can do by ourselves, we should do. Uh, so here, H I said hyper. So hyper means hyper. We say highlighted. It's hyper, which means nothing is normal. We are going to decorate something. Whatever will be possible, we will apply our best. Our best. So here, hyper, which means with quality, not simple, not a simple. So in this context, we create a website. Okay, we try to create a website. Then our focus should be on hyper. Whatever we are going to draw, whatever we are going to apply. So after applying, our whatever will be your purpose to create your website. So of course, normal versus, what do you think about normal versus quality? So normal will be a normal and dynamic will be dynamic. So dynamic website will look more better than normal website. Are you understanding me? So here, dynamic look is what hyper in my word. So here we are going to create a website which will be hyper. Okay. Dynamic. Next word is text. Yes, of course, there is no doubt in while creating website there will be a lot of sentences, a lot of words according to requirement. We apply a lot of words, a lot of sentences. So here, that's why this word is given T, which means text, because there is a requirement of a text. Okay, that's why. So it is saying when you will be creating website. So sometimes we will feel that yes, we should we should write something. Okay, so that's why this is given. Yeah, here HTML, these letters are highlighting to us, so to understand us that yes, H means this, T means this, M means this, L means this. Now next letter is M. M means markup, markup, markup. MARKUP, markup, or hint, or hint symbol. So here markup means something is being highlighted. Okay, something is being highlighted. For example, a image, uh, hyperlink. Uh, while creating a website, we highlight a link. So that link, in other words, we say that highlighted link is what, markup. Markup. Okay, it's not too much to understand it. Just understand that this is just a markup. Whatever we are going to create. Sometimes we see, yes, I did hear something. That's why it is looking very cool. So why it is looking very cool? Because we did something. That's why. So that part where we did is a markup. Okay. Now next L. L language. L means language. So this is language. Okay. Through this HTML is language. Through this language, we are going to create a structure for website. For website. Python is not language. Python is a programming language, and this is the only language. It's not a programming language. Okay. Only we will create a structure for website. But what if I'm going to create a button, and then I think this button should work by the help of this HTML. So it will not work because this is not programming language. This is not programming language. Yes, we can create a button. We can create a text, hypertext. Okay, but this hypertext will not work. So for work, we will have to jump on JavaScript, which is a programming language. JavaScript is also programming language. There are a lot of programming language. So according to requirement, according to your requirement, what is your requirement? So you should jump on that programming language, because there are a lot of programming language. So of course you will have to select one, at least two or three. This I think so. According to me, this 3 or 4 programming language will be enough. Okay, will be enough. And here your interest will matter. So we have understood this HTML. Don't worry, in details I will share all those information which are compulsory in this discussion, in this section. So H means hyper, T means text, and M markup, L language. Through this language, we create a structure for anything. Now, below this HTML, as you can see, these are tags. Note all this. Here, first look at over this first line, which is this open and this close symbol. This open and this close symbol. And here, first draw this, apply this symbol, open symbol, open less than, open symbol. I would call it right in this section as this as a open. Okay, this close tag, open tag, close tag. Clear? Clear? So here you are understanding what is this. So open, first of all you will have to apply this open tag. Then the next thing is coming, which is exclamation. It is a symbol now. So exclamation is compulsory to write over here, to apply over. Next we have DOC. DOC is a short name of a documents. So DOC. You don't need to write a complete word. D or document. Okay, just write DOC. Okay. Next type, TYPE. Here you can see this DOC, TYPE, all these are in uppercase. In uppercase. If you write this DOC, TYPE in lowercase, then it will be invalid for HTML. Okay, for HTML. Now next is HTML. Here HTML. All these four letters are in lowercase. And if you think that okay, I am going to write this HTML in uppercase, then of course this will be invalid for HTML. Okay. No, this open tag, then exclamation, then DOC, then TYPE, and then one space, then HTML. Okay, HTML. Let's try to understand what is the meaning of this word. This is a tag. This is completely tag. Okay, this is completely tag. Here, this is saying that you have a document which is HTML. This is what you are saying. You are saying that you have a document which is HTML. It can be HTML5, HTML5. So which type of document? Tag. Which type of document? Which type of document? So document type is HTML. Clear? That is what you are convincing to yourself. Did you understand? Which type of a document you are applying here? So of course, DOC document type is HTML, and only you will write this once times, not again and again. Only one times in your HTML section. Clear? Only one time. As you open HTML, then just apply this one time. This tag one time. This tag is known as you can say document HTML. Okay. Open, then exclamation, then DOC, TYPE, then one space, then HTML. Meaning of this is what? Document type is HTML. Okay. Exclamation is a compulsory. It is written only one time. Don't write it again and again. Once you open your HTML section, then just write this one time. This is enough. This is enough. Now next thing is coming. As we know that we have a HTML document, so we start with the HTML tag. This is known as HTML tag, and this is known as a document HTML tag. Clear? So first of course will come HTML. Now here look at this symbol is known as a tag in the case of HTML. So this open tag and this close tag, and between this will be written content. Okay, between this symbols will be written content, not content, tag. For example, HTML. So this tag, name of this tag will be HTML tag. HTML tag. HTML tag. One thing I am trying to tell you is that if there is a no slash, so if in this tag there is a no slash, it means we have just started this tag. But what if we apply this slash after this? So here you can see this is slash. It is telling that you have completed this tag. How did you know? Through this, by this symbol, which is a slash. So this slash is an ending tag, and without slash is a starting tag. Clear? This was very important. Here you will observe a lot of time. That's why in separate part I have told you the importance of this. Okay. As you can see in this tag, there is a no slash. Yeah, you can see in this tag there is a no slash. So of course it is like that. This is a starting HTML tag. Clear? This is a starting HTML tag. Now after HTML, head which means heading, heading, not a heading. About heading we will see later. Head after HTML, next tag will come which will be head. Then after head, title. So this is a HTML will be. Then head is a small. Then title is a small than head. Okay. Now this title tag will be shown in the browser bar where we type, okay, where we search. So this page title will be shown where in the search box, So this will be visual, but it will be visual in search box. This is title. Now next, till here this is a head. So title, remember title will come between head. Okay, head. Then our will come next tag will come body. So body part is a visual in a website. In website, body part will be visual. Apart from this body, nothing will be visual. Nothing. I'm talking about the website. So on website, only body part will be visual. HTML tells this tag tells to browser that this is how you have to show this website. Okay, this a document. Okay, this a document. So we will take this. Okay. So remember, body tag will be visual on website. In body, we write heading. In this body, you can write a lot of text. Whatever you have a text to write, so you can write in body section. In body tags, if you want to show your text, then you should have to write your text in body tags. Okay, in body tags, then your text will be shown by the browser. Inside the body tag, we have this h1 tag, then p tag. Now let's see what is the meaning of a h1 tag and what is the meaning of a p. H1, which means heading one. Like that, we have h2, heading 2, h3. This will go till the h6. Now, what is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6? Look, h1 will be more big size of a font. This is a font. Okay, this is letter. So size of this will be more when we will apply h1. But as we apply h6, then size of this font will be less, very less. Let's say you applied h3, so of course size of the font will be medium, will be middle. Okay, so this h1 h2 till the h6 is a size, is a height, you can say height of the font. You select this h1 this to h6 to apply size height of the uh, text, height of the text, height of the font. Okay, now next we have p. P stands for paragraph. This stands for paragraph. Here you can see this slash is coming. It means this part, this tag is ending till, till here, and next tag started, which is something else tag. This is not in this. Okay, function of this will not work inside this. This is what is the meaning of this ending text, ending tags. Okay, ending tag. What are you understanding? Whatever will be function of this tag will not work in this tag, will not work also in this tag. This is what is the meaning of this ending tag. Clear? Clear? I hope you have understood. I told you this ending tag because a lot of student, a lot of course, a student will make a mistake, but I don't want like that. Even I did make mistake. That's why I am highlighting this ending tags. Now let's come to the paragraph. Paragraph. Heading is heading. You don't write a heading a lot of time. Of course, you will write a paragraph a lot of times. That's why heading is a separate and paragraph is a separate. I hope you might have seen a lot of some websites where you see a lot of paragraphs, headings, images, hyperlink. Uh, all this you might have seen. That's why you will get feel of this discussion. Okay. Clear. So in this you can insert your text. Now next, as you know that this part is inside body tag. So from here to till here, this is our this h1p tag. All these two tags are inside the body tag. You will have to apply this ending body tag. Okay. The next we have ending HTML tag. Ending HTML tag. This was very basic to understand HTML. First, you will have to write. You will have to insert a first tag, which will be only one tag. Okay, in our HTML section, which is open tag, then exclamation, then dog type, then one space, then HTML, which should be in lowercase, then close tag. This will be only one tag, clear, in our HTML section. Now next will come, of course, HTML, because we have HTML documents. So open tag, then HTML, then close tag. After this, suppose next tag should come, which will be head tag, then title. I'm right? Yes, head. Inside the head, we have a title. Title is somewhere in search box, in browser search box. So after HTML, head will come. Open tag, then head, then close tag. Now next tag is title tag. Okay, open tag, title, then close tag, and whatever you have a title, you can insert over here. Okay, any company, then your close title tag. Then we have our ending head tag. Okay, and the head tag. This open tag, then slash is for ending. Okay, open tag slash head, then close tag. Okay, close tag. Next, this is complete. Tail came, title came inside the head. Now next is we have uh, head. Head is complete. Next, body tag. Inside body where we will write a heading paragraph. So of course after head, body tag comes. Okay, open tag, then body, then close tag. Yeah. Inside this, open this h1 tag, then whatever you have heading you will insert over here, then close h1 tag. Okay, ending h1 tag you can say. I hope you are understanding. uh, then you have next which is paragraph tag. Okay, in this you write a lot of tags as a paragraph. Next, now we will end our body tag. So of course open tag, then slash, then body, then close tag. Clear? Now next we have HTML. I think here is complete. HTML body, then HTML tag. To till here, this is complete our document HTML. Now let's see, did we understand something or not? Let's see it practically. Okay, I'm going to erase it. Now we are going to see what the things did we understand here. Uh, First, we have to write our document type. So this open tag, exclamation, then DOCTYPE. This is nothing but document type. Which type of a document? So you would say HTML. So of course this HTML should be in lowercase. Clear? Then our close tag. Okay, so this one space is compulsory, brother. Okay, don't neglect. Don't make mistake this type. So this one space is compulsory. If you don't apply this one space, it will be invalid in HTML. Clear? So what did we write? This open tag, then exclamation, DOCTYPE, all these are together and all these are in uppercase. Okay, this first tag is complete. It is written only one tag in our HTML section. Now next tag which is compulsory should come is that HTML. This is our next tag after document tag. Okay. Name of this tag is what? HTML tag. Hmm? It's a starting tag. And here you can observe this HTML. All these letters are in lowercase. Clear? Now next which should come here. Here. Inside this head comes next tag which is a title. Okay, title tag. This is title tag. Now from word you are understanding what are we going to write. Whatever you will have a title you will insert in this tag. For example, a student of the year. Okay, a student of the year. A student of the year. Let's say clear. Now we are going to end this tag. So of course this open tag, then slash our name of what this tag is a title. TITLE. Then close tag. So this student of the year is our title, which is shown in search box. Clear? Now next tag, which is nothing but ending. So this open, then slash, then here. Clear? I hope till here this is crystal clear. Now next tag will come which body tag. So BODY body. And this tag is without a slash, which is in starting tag. Now tell me what should be next step. I think yes, inside this tag we write two tags. We insert two tags, which is a heading and a paragraph tag. So in this H1, not H1, H4. So heading, I would say about a student. About a student. Then this is our ending tag. This is our ending tag. Clear? Now you can write a lot of heading. It's not limit. Okay, it's not limitless. You have a lot of heading. It depends on you. How what numbers of heading do you have? You can write. You can insert it. It's not limited. Next tag we have which is a P. So P is in lowercase. Okay, don't neglect over here. P is in lowercase. Here you insert a lot of tags. You type a lot of tags. No, not tags. A lot of words. It can be sentences. For example, a student is the future of our country. This is paragraph. I know this is one sentence. Here can be a lot of a sentence. Just to understand this HTML language, I am writing this one sentence so that we can understand. Okay, this is complete. Now here we will end. We are going to end this tag, which is body. B O hold on slash. Where is the slash? B O D Y slash. Okay. Now after body, after ending body tag, we know what will come. Of course, HTML ending tag, HTML, HTML ending tag. Clear? Apart from this tag, there are more. Do you know about attributes? Attributes is used for additional information. If you want to give more additional information about your tag, then inside your tag you can give a lot of information, which is known as additional information. Okay, so we will see attributes, but before we jump on the discussion of attributes, let's see basics. I think basics or elements of HTML. Okay, don't worry. We will also talk about images, SRC, which is source, then link, refer, ref. All this will be discussed uh, one by one. I hope till here this is crystal clear. I am highlighting this part because it is very basic. That's why. If your basic will be strong, then your advance you will understand the advance of this very easily, very easy.